Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background using the BodyPix model. Also how to remove the foreground. So if we have an image which is like this, in which now you want to remove the background and let only the body part be there, you can do that. Also the same image, what we will see is how you can remove the foreground. In the sense you would remove the body part and just keep the background. And I'm using the BodyPix model to do this. Okay, so now this is removed. This BodyPix model, it is an open source machine learning model. It allows for person and body part segmentation in the browser with TensorFlow.js. And the person segmentation, it segments the image into pixels like this, such that it returns a binary array with 1 for the pixels that are part of a person and 0 otherwise. And the array size corresponds to the number of pixels in the image. BodyPix uses CNN algorithm, convolution neural network. It is trained both in ResNet model and the MobileNet model. ResNet model is more accurate, but in this video I am showing you the MobileNet model. It runs quite fast on my laptop particularly and on mobile devices. ResNet runs a bit slower, though it's quite accurate. So an image is fed through the model, the convolution neural network, and the last layer is a sigmoid activation function that is used to transform the output to a value between 0 and 1. The threshold is 0.5, and you can configure the threshold. By default it is 0.5. It converts the binary segmentation and determines whether pixel is part of the body or not. So how I have done I will be sharing this code files with you. It's quite simple. Just took a HTML in which there is just one tag, the canvas tag in the body, and you load TensorFlow.js and then you load the BodyPix model. Okay, it is given by the TensorFlow models, BodyPix. The version 2 is quite powerful. Instead of a single person, it also identifies multiple persons, and it identifies 24 body parts. And the best part is it also identifies if a person is not facing the camera. Okay, so I will show you the JavaScript file where all the fun happens. So you would load the image. The image I have used is of a girl. You would load the image and you would configure your BodyPix model. So here I have configured it as MobileNet v1, output stride 16, multiplier 0.75. This configuration, the details of this configuration, there is much more configuration that is available. It is there in the README documents of the BodyPix. You will get it easily. As well as there is a configuration for segmentation. You can segment the complete person as a single segment, or as I said, you can have 24 segments of the body parts. Here I have done a complete segmentation. Once you get the image data, you create the image data, an empty image data, and you can map wherever there is 0, you can map it with a particular color. Here I have mapped it as a black. You can also map it as a white color, and you can set the transparency. Okay, since it is the return is a single array, and for each of them, this data array, it stores 4 values for each pixels. That is why this multiplication of by 4. So now let us see. I have changed the background to white. So this background is changed to white. The this can easily be replaced by a video feed. Okay, and We have seen Zoom and the other video editing softwares which replace the background by a customized background. So instead of having these colors, you can also have the customized background. The customized background is nothing but an image, a customized image on which you would lay out this other image as well. Okay, so the same can, and also you can remove the foreground. Okay, and it is, in some cases it is required where you remove all the people and just have the background. In some cases you would require to remove the background and just keep the persons or persons. Okay, since both multiple people also are identified. So here, instead of replacing it by black, if I replace it by white, you would find, so instead of replacing it, that you can also do a, you can pick up a color from your image and then merge it with the existing background image. Okay, I hope this helps and you can create your own customized video feeds. Thank you.